Tennant Company, the leader in environmental cleaning solutions, brings you a compact, low-profile cylindrical scrubber that easily scrubs congested spaces. Introducing the T1. With best-in-class scrubbing and water recovery performance, the compact T1 scrubber delivers superior cleaning results and safety in small spaces. Its excellent water recovery in both forward and reverse reduces the risk of slip and fall accidents in congested areas. And the T1's easy-to-clean and sanitize hygienic tanks improve environmental health by reducing bacteria growth. Compact, safe, clean. The Tennant T1 low-profile cylindrical scrubber cleans with maximum flexibility in even the tightest of spaces. Quickly adjusts while scrubbing for safe, productive cleaning under and around obstacles. The compact T1 scrubber safely and easily maneuvers to clean in forward and reverse through tight spaces and congested areas. Inside the T1, the cylindrical self-propelling brush system with 33 pounds of focused down pressure and 1200 RPM brush speed delivers best-in-class cleaning for your unique scrubbing needs. The T1 scrubber is the productive, clean, safe solution to your hard-to-scrub spaces.